So today we're going to talk about the dreaded nail or the screw that got into your tire. You could go to the gas station if you want to, spend $25 for the repair, or buy yourself one of these kits. I'm going to send you a link down below. You can kind of check it out. In the kit, it has everything that you'll need to do a repair. You could probably do 30 patches according to this kit. So why don't we get into it first, and then we'll see how that works out. Dreaded, you found a nail in your tire episode. So looks like a pretty hefty thing right here. Going to squirt some liquid on it to see. You guys see it's. You can kind of see how big the sucker is. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but. Alright, next thing to do is basically patch that hole. So as I'm basically cleaning out that hole with this tool, I am threading in a really sticky piece of wick that you're going to shove into the hole and cut off the excess in order to patch the tile. Maybe it's like threading, but anyway, kind of square it up a little bit. Thing's really sticky. Sure, it's sticking all over my gloves as well, so this is what it looks like. Left it in there pretty good. I don't know if you could tell, but now you push down the plunger. Then test for the air leaks. Okay, kind of leave that part in there if you want to. Gonna shoot that, see if there's any air that comes out. Look okay. All right, it's good. Okay, so it's time to fill up the air. The flat tire. Go to the driver's side. Figure out what the tire pressure is. Mine is the front tire, which is at 35 psi. The patch is done. The good thing is that the nail was not that close to the sidewall, because when it gets too close to the sidewall, then it's probably not repairable, and the shop's either going to recommend you to do a brand new tire altogether. But kit's good for 30 patches. Hopefully you don't get to that point of having to do 30 nails, because that'll be really bad luck for you. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button, and then you get to see more videos from me. That'll be it for this and that. See you next time.